Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 19, Prepositions of Time. We've already learned prepositions in previous lesson, and there we understood how to show location and how to use prepositions, and there we understood that prepositions can be used to show time, and prepositions can be used to show location, and prepositions can be used to show direction as well. So today we are learning a few prepositions of time, and we'll be looking at and in, on, from, to. So we'll be looking at these following prepositions, right? Like at and in, on, and from, to. So first of all, we look at. So at is used with a specific time on the clock. It means that if you want to show clock time, you should use at. Whenever if anyone asks you clock time, so for telling clock time we use at. For example, at 2:30 or at 4 o'clock or at 9:15, or you can say I met him at 5 o'clock, or I saw Salma at 3 o'clock. So you see, for a specific time, 3 o'clock is a specific time, 2:30 is a specific time, and 4 is a specific time. So for a specific time on the clock, you should use at. You cannot use in. For example, you cannot say in 2:30 or on 2:30. So you should use for a specific time, for a particular time on the clock, you should use at. Another use of at is it is used with night. Night is a particular time of a day. For example, morning, afternoon, evening, likewise night. So with night we use at. We do not use in night. We do not say on night. We always use with night. We always use at. For example, we will go to the park at night. Right? We will go to the park at night. So you can see that here we have used at with night. Remember, only with night, not with any other time of the day. We use at with only night, and not with morning, not with evening, not with afternoon. Okay, now we look at in. In is used in the following ways. In is used with a specific month, and it is used with a specific year. And in is used with this with morning, in the morning, and in is used with afternoon, and in is used with evening. So first of all, in with a specific month. So my sister's birthday is in December. So December is a specific month, a particular month. So with month we use in. We cannot use on or at. So my sister's birthday is in December. Likewise, my in is used with specific years, particular year. For example, she was born in 1980. So in 1980, not on 1980 or not at 1980. The right preposition of time is in 1980. So with year we use in. Okay, and now a particular time of the day, for example, the morning. So in the morning, they have to run in the morning, and in the afternoon, Jim has a class in the afternoon, or in the evening, I work in the evening. Just before this, I told you about at. I told you that at is used with night, and we do not use any other preposition like in with night. So with night we use at, and with the rest of the time of the day we use in, like in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Now we look at on. On is used with a particular day of the week and particular date. So whenever you talk about a particular day, or whenever you talk about a particular date, so you should use on before that day or before that date. So for example, I'm going to Lahore on Monday. So you can see that Monday is a day of a week, so right? So before days we use on. So I'm going to Lahore on Monday. With particular date, on with particular date, I was born on December 4th, 1987. So you can see here we're talking about December 4th of December. So that's why we have used on. We did not use in. You can see that we have December, which is a month, and we also have 1987, which is a year, but still we are using on because the stress is on the 4th of December, right? We're talking about December 4th. The main stress is on 4th of December 1987. So whenever you talk about a particular date, so you use on with that date. Now we'll look at from to. These two prepositions are used together to show starting time and ending time of anything. It means that from and to, they are used together, and whenever you want to show that when a work, what time a work starts and what time it finishes, right? So from and to. So from a particular time to a particular time. For example, we will stay at the party from 9 to 12. So it kind of shows duration, and it shows that you will start you will stay there from 9, so it's starting point, it's the starting time, to 12, so this is the ending time, right? So it shows that it kind of shows a duration, right? So just remember that whenever you want to show a starting time and ending time of any action or anything, you better use from and to.